So here's kind of basics for number 3. We want an actor to be able to move around the screen with my keyboard arrows, up, left, down, and right, and then switch costumes based on the keys I press. I want to have a switch from a cow costume to a pig costume. So I want to have it go, I press the letter C, it turns into a cow. Press the letter P, it turns into a pig. So let's build this here. I need a background or a stage. I'm going to push this small little gear wheel and go into Add Background. And now I'm going to pick a nice outdoorsy looking stage. Here we go. Got it. I need to add an actor. I'm going to go from the media library, and I'm going to find a cow looking actor. Probably going to be in the farm somewhere. So from a cow to a pig. Alright, I have options. Good. I'm going to pick my cow. There he is. Got him. But now I want to add a costume to the cow. Not an actor, costume. So I have to go to the cow, push the gear wheel, and I'm going to add costume. Go back to the farm. I'm going to find pig. I like this one. Got it. I got to set it up now so when I press a certain button, he'll switch costumes. So I want to have, when I press a button, to perform a command. So right here, when up arrow pressed, I don't want up arrow, I want the letter C is pressed. And I also want when the letter P is pressed. So I have these two ready to go. When P is pressed and when C is pressed. So I press C, it turns into a cow. I press P, it turns into a pig. Okay, let's figure it out. Oh, fuck him in the middle. Okay. So I'm going to switch costumes. And look for the code block that talks about switch. Here it is, switch to costume. So when C is pressed, switch to costume cow. And then when P is pressed, switch to costume pig. Let's try it once. I push play. I'll push the letter C, turns into a cow. Push the letter P, turns into a pig. So C for cow, P for pig. That part works. Okay? And then we'll stop this. Alright. Now the moving. I gotta bring in more of these here when pressed buttons. So I need one for the up arrow, one for the down arrow, one for the left arrow, and one for the right arrow. Up arrow, let's go down arrow, let's go left and right arrow. I'll just code one and you can code the rest. So here I want to have my character move but I want them to be able to move the right direction. Moving only moves left to right. That's not going to work. I got to use my X, Y coordinates. And we'll show you why here. Let's go bigger so you can see it. I turn those things on. Like in math class, here's my X, Y coordinate. This being the X axis, this being the Y axis. If I go to a positive X, it's going to be this direction. Here's going to be a negative X. Or a positive Y, negative Y. Turn it back off. Let's build this. Up arrow, I want to go change Y. Up is Y. Change Y by 10. Let's try it once. Push play. Push up arrow. See a move? He's moving. It's working. Push down, nothing. Left, nothing. Right, nothing. So down here is also going to be a change y by 10, but it's going to be a negative 10. Now let's try it. Up works, down works. So you figure out the left and the right one, and you have that done, the code is done. So when you press a button, it prompts this command, prompts the command, prompts the commands. So I'll push play. I can go to a cow costume, move it up the screen, down the screen, pig costume, cow costume, pig costume. So it's working. There's a beginning part of number 3's project.